Welcome. LinkedIn is a powerful tool for networking and professional growth, and staying on top of your messages is key. In this video, we'll explore how to view the Other Messages section on LinkedIn using your PC, especially with the latest updates to the platform. This will ensure you don't miss any important communications that might be filtered out of your main inbox. First, open your favorite web browser and go to LinkedIn's website. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on your homepage, direct your attention to the top menu. Here, you'll find various icons that provide access to different sections of LinkedIn. Look for the messaging icon. It's usually represented by an envelope symbol. Click on it to access your inbox. This is where all your direct conversations and connection requests are managed. Once you're in the messaging area, you'll typically see your main inbox, displaying your most recent conversations. Now, to find the Other Messages section, look for the Message section. In this section, you can choose Other. This is where LinkedIn filters messages from people you're not directly connected with, but who might still be relevant to your professional life. It's a good idea to check this folder regularly, as important messages can sometimes end up here. Inside the Other section, you can review the messages and decide whether to respond, connect with the sender, or archive the message. Managing this section effectively helps you stay organized and ensures you don't miss out on potential opportunities or important updates. And that's it. That's how you can view the Other Messages section on LinkedIn using your PC with the new updates. By following these simple steps, you can ensure you're staying on top of all your communications and making the most of your LinkedIn experience. Remember to regularly check this section to ensure you're not missing any important messages. Keeping your inbox organized helps maintain clear and effective communication within your professional network. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on navigating the world of LinkedIn.